Hey guys, today we will connect this DSLR and this big screen. So DSLR will stream video and audio to the screen. For that we will use new amazing wireless HD kit. It goes with such a beautiful case, which contain absolutely all what you need for starting streaming content. So let's check what's inside the case. Usually for wireless transmitting we need transmitter and receiver. So here it is. It is a transmitter. It could be installed directly on a camera. So here is installation system, you could see. It contains a battery, so there is no need to connecting to any power sourcing while streaming. Battery could power transmitter for about 2 till 4 hours. It have HDMI port for the audio and video input. HDMI 1.4 with 3D support. Here is a receiver. You could see our kit based on the WHDI standard. So it's full HD video with 3D support wirelessly on the 5 GHz band. Signal could go through, could penetrate through walls, and there is no problem for this kit for transmitting up to, for the distance for up to 60 feet. It's about 20 meters. So let's start to using it, but before we'll see what's in the case. Here is a cord from mini HDMI to HDMI. We will connect transmitter to the DSLR by this cord. Here is cord for charging transmitter. It have a mini USB for charging and power button. Here is power adapter for charging. It also compatible with US and European Union standards, so you just need to simple converter to US power sourcing, or directly plugging it to the European power sourcing. It have a remote for controlling receiver. We could add few more transmitters to the one receiver and could select transmitter which we wish to see. 1, 2, 3 and more. So it's only for configuring receiver. One more USB to mini USB cord, HDMI cable, here is dock which could be used for installing transmitter or receiver, you could stand it on any surface. It's very convenient. You could use it, or you could just stay it on any surface without this docking device. Here's infrared eye. It connects to receiver, and we click on our remote on this eye, so receiver have infrared signal from this cord. One more HDMI cable. So that's all. Let's start to using our cool kit. By the way, it's very cool for operators who can't have power for another transmitters, because this transmitter have included integrated battery, and you could use it without need of any power sourcing. As I said before. So let's at first connect our receiver to the screen. We need HDMI cable. Just a moment, let me base camera. So here it is, HDMI from TV to HDMI out of the receiver, and power adapter. It already connected to power sourcing. Now I will connect it to receiver. So receiver start working. One second, and network LED starting to flash. So on the TV we have node connecting to stick. So when we will power on our transmitter, it will connect with our receiver. So let's do it. So case goes out from here. And now we will connect transmitter to our Canon HDMI port. Here is mini HDMI port, HDMI out, and we will connect HDMI out from camera to HDMI in port of the transmitter. Also we will install transmitter directly on a camera. We could do it by simply turning this system. Just a moment. Yeah, here it is. So device is installed directly on camera. So simply yes, now it's connected, and we don't need any power, so no problem with that. Yeah, Now let's power on our transmitter. Just pushing power button for a few seconds, and discharge LED start working. It means that camera is online, connected to stick. You could see receiver, see our transmitter. So let's power on camera. You could see camera menu on the screen. I will now turn on video capture on camera. Just a moment. Receiver detect new signal. So here it is. Yes, now we could see it, no problem, absolutely. So now I could go with camera to any place in this room, or go to another room, and you still could see quality HD. Oh, I'm sorry, I push wrong button. So I could go with camera to absolutely to any place, and across 60 feet, and streaming will continue without absolutely no problem. So let me turn on streaming once again. Now you could see camera absolutely wireless, and just transmitter installed on directly on the camera, transmitting our HD signal to the receiver. So you could connect any HDMI source with 3D support, no problem. But for camera it's the most convenient kit. Oh, I'm sorry, you could see. Oh, once again I'll push on wrong button. So please leave comments for this video. You could leave your questions in comments to this video. We will reply to any questions from you. We'll be glad to reply on any questions from you. And please see our channel for more cool videos about wireless audio and video devices. Thanks for watching.